26-27 season of Fixtures no and so ababontin. I said they can confirm ya mama no. Yami aduma a free league no e share September 4th September 7th 2026 na we May 28th to 31st of 2027 next year and league no ye betimi abo e de we na over YouTube Nhyira TV ya de Fixtures no from Monday 1 akopim the last one ye betimi abo and so the 2026-27 season no and so emu na say be I mean say time ni be bring no ohwe Monday 1 na de league na no WB in fact afia and am so bobo ye league ni bi into omo ye newly promoted side omo ya Asante Kotoko and na ade ebepem so House of Folk be kobrekum asori omo tena enkan na omo ni brekum Chelsea about dreams any defending champions Mediama and na ebabo Pando Heart of Lions ebabo Ediana it is amobodu in the first game omobo against Pando Heart of Lions Beckham United ebabo kame baby and Gold Stars Vision ebabo Young Apostles na Samotex abo Karela na Baseke Holy Stars and so abo All Blacks bobo kuno na yenya Portsitia omonso afia na omoba in league nim omonso ne FC Ashanti Gold and so abo omonso omumienu na no afia na omonso free division 1 johnny league no na nzama mfo bisa se na ene the super cup the super cash no time ben and so yebebo ohwe Fixtures ni ba Monday 13 na sa game na Asante Kotoko and it be home first Nyami aduma in December 4th to 7th na Asante Kotoko trefie abo House of Folk now return league no so no between April 30th and then May 3rd 2027 na House of Folk so akotran kan na omo awo kame Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ayala Fixtures na ba
March the 30 so March the 13th March the 30
yes and ye de bebo second round as well.
The magic number for the super class this is in 3.
Aye. Okay, 13 and then 30.
3 no and my first comment say Fixtures Barbon Timpano then you know say
league never started.
Marriage. House of Folk still have not named the coach. And you know, they've not started preseason. Now, as in come way, they be IED, and so young Koyanim Dao. And you say, be a nipa ne pass, man, say, nipa ne pekasa. But rich, say, Obi, House of Folk supporter pa. Not on you worried about the club. And in the Pacona no him more.
Maybe I know a jazz.
Maybe because a new man could ye. Rich say major things to fix our football club. When do you fix it? Off season. Ya bo league wie ya off season in between off season ni na house wo payinfo wo bibi monumental BNC ama now we've entered into pre-season
so na has nya coach Mpona wa chere da we starting the pre-season
Rich o de yemfa ne say minu mienu ye nim say Hearts are going through the process to pay Rennie Hedenk. Yemfa say minu yenim. Say Hearts aye maki coach ene na dim komo ato. Yemfa say assistant coaches say Olele na ba Hearts goalkeeper trainer. San komo ni nyina yenya atwonsi yenim. Yemfa say ni nyina ye no kre. But Rich, the timing of Enuoma Bino problematic. Couldn't House of Folk have done all of these things during the off season say they be enka by this time enka omo twemu ho kra da enka and when say omo zooming into action but no pre-season period no and has a finishing tactics to all these things. Doesn't it worry you? Me, it worries me. And see, me imagine how you say House of Folk companion for Omunya they are doing something about it. But my problem then say you both season you that I wouldn't say you need to put all these things in place and suddenly you're starting next season. Adentina, and by this time, hey, the Ayala house coach was back and come on say we are starting the preseason. House of Folk actually really heading Kisika every hall. Now they are a beer they can buy players. But rich, you are quite about the do preseason fixtures about one thing, and we are still in house and common beyond this topic. Problem.
Go about season if you are and I'm only did a party ways.
Yes.
Think about now they are least.
Rich, me catch yourself per my information. The decision to sack Didi was taken as far back as February last year for insubordination. And he has knew from the board to Omom paying for when you say season you can be in a Didi ya permanent. And no no ya permanent technical team nina. Me problem then say, oh, see, a told be our own. Omom did couldn't me and paying for. And you understand they are busy people. But rich no crane ya me sebi football no so we need so and it is better you don't come close to it. And to obedient me for excuse Emma me say oh Ayala ya pese baby bia for ho but our time na work na we are busy doing other things na house of focus so e
dia na moye.
No, the emphasis we are doing
MD near you almost to them.
Yes, as a focus to be part of your priority. No matter who you are, we are board member, we are bank be a board member, we are a Juma private person be. Togbe is a very, very busy man. But what we are saying is say what you have to also say has a kind of responsibility what they are. And then also who say the timing of say Oberman Yoma here Juma or Hearts is very, very crucial. Yeah, season we are off season. Has intimia and finalizing new bia now. Yeah, about pre-season. Yeah, be discussing players by na team nato players by why they coach team no. I feel momuna. Look at what media are doing. They are almost buying all their players they need to buy. And when I look at unveiling omo defender. Very nice. They are in Ivory Coast. Omo coach Tanko Dada I want a technical team that was starting the preseason. House of Folk munyanum Kotoko. I almost no money coach say one. Quickly,
Fabia started
preseason. I never crown two and a mombi. At the end and Rich, don't detach preparation from results.
Very, very important.
Don't detach it. Until you start season, now on your market, you see, most of the time, what this thing at the back and say, you started season, now you are doing a pre-season
within the season.
Yeah,
it's true.
It's so bad.
The beer season, baby, in a house. At your fambo.
Major problem, no.
Rich, season you own. Mehe Kotoko has first 5 matches, no. Na my projections be na nyame pouch na me wura mu yie pa but as my director of sports air can